Danny had always thought his new job was perfect, great salary, easy work, and a modern office building. But everything changed one night when he stayed late. He entered the elevator and pressed the button for the fourth floor. But instead of stopping, the elevator continued past the highest registered floor. The digital display flickered before showing Floor 7, a floor that didn't exist in the building plans. The doors opened to reveal a dimly lit hallway, lined with old, peeling wallpaper. A single door stood at the end, slightly ajar. A strange humming sound filled the air. Danny's pulse quickened. Curiosity overpowered his fear. He stepped out, walking toward the door. Inside, the room was eerily empty except for a single wooden chair facing the wall. The humming sound was louder now. Then, the door slammed shut behind him. The elevator dinged, but it was gone. A whisper echoed from the chair. "You finally made it." Danny turned and screamed, but no one ever heard him. The next morning, the elevator worked as usual. No extra floor, no missing employee.